Hey everybody, it's Vitali here at Red Barn Productions, and we are back. And we are going to talk about how to put together the Electrovoice Model 309A shock mount that you use with your EV, RE20, RE320, etc. And it comes in a box disassembled. Let me switch over to the other camera. And it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. It also, these are what we call bands, rubber bands, and it's going to come with 8 of those. You only need 4 to put it together. The extra 4 are for spares. Let me move these where you can see them a little bit. But anyway, it comes with 8 of these. I've only got 4 here because we only need 4 to assemble it. And we're going to start. You take the main mount, 1 rubber band, the rubber bands have in the center, they have a groove, and that goes on the outside of your hoop in each corner. We're going to take one, and we're going to, don't actually have to put it on, but we're going to try it anyway. Let's just go ahead and grab the mount. Let's try to get this just get through this quickly. I don't want this to be a 20-minute video for something that takes less than 5 minutes. And then you hook that on each end just like that. And this is going to go right there. We're going to come down to the bottom corner. And you can do this any way you want to. I just like to do it where it goes together fairly easy. We're going to clip that on that right there. Actually, let's go to the other side first. Like so. And these bands go on the outside of the frame, by the way, just so you know. And now we're going to bring this over to the corner. See, now we've got 2 of them done. You take this, you slide it on here. Come over and hook it on the other end, just like so. And then you put that on the corner there. We've got 1 left. And it's fairly easy. It just does not come with any instructions, and I can understand where some people might get confused. Is the only reason I'm making the video. I hope it helps somebody out. We're going to do this last band. We're going to hook that on right here. Okay, we've got that assembled. We've got 1 last piece. Take your little bolt, stick it up through the hole. Take your stand mount end and screw it onto the bolt just like so. And I like to get these really tight. And there we go, it's assembled. And of course, I've got the microphone right here. I'm actually using the mic. But to mount the mic in, you just unloosen this right here. Slide the XLR end of the mic through the here, into this right here, seat it and tighten that up. And then you would tighten these wing nuts here on each side to, at the angle that you want once you have it mounted on your boom. And a lot of people don't realize how big that mount actually is when it's assembled. Let's put it in perspective here. Or, yeah, it's pretty big. So make sure you buy a really good boom arm if you put this on a boom. Something like the Rode NT1. Don't buy one of the cheap ones. Anyway, that's my tally here, Red Barn Productions. I hope this helps somebody. Until next time, I'm out of here.